Hello. Today we're gonna try to learn on how do we derivate a log. So in this case, I'm gonna try to give a straight question and I will try to explain the step by step on how do we solve that. So the question goes like this. Y is equals to square root of log base of 3 bracket x squared minus 2. How do we actually do a derivative on this one? So the question is, find the dy over dx. The first thing we need to do in here, obviously, we need to make the square root here into a number. So we're going to end up with y is equals to bracket log 3 bracket x squared minus 2 close bracket, and everything is to the power of half. That's the main idea here. And then we can go straight into the chain rule, which the log 3x squared minus 2 will be the u. So we're going to end up with y is equals to u to the power of half, and the u value here will be equals to log 3 bracket x squared minus 2. Now, all we need to do, we just need to find out what is the dy over du and what is the du over dx to actually find out the final answer. So let's try to find the dy over du first. Dy over du, it's pretty easy. So just derivate u to the power of half. So that'll be 1 over 2 square root of u. And we're done with the dy over du. Now we can focus on the highlight of this topic in this video, which is how do we derivate the log. Now, to get the du over dx, before we start doing the derivative, we need to change the log into something we are familiar with, the basic derivative formula. We're going to change the log into ln. So how do we get that? As you may know from the indices and log topic, I think you learned this one in 11th or 12th grade. We have a pattern that looks like this. If I have log base of a number b, then we can change the base of log into any number we want, and it will become log number c, log base of c number b divided by log base of c number a. And the c here can be any number we want, which include Euler. So in that case, we can rewrite this into ln b divided by ln a. That's the idea. Because ln, or natural logarithm, is basically log base of e. Okay, now let's try to apply the change of base formula into the u. So we're gonna get u is equals to ln bracket x squared minus 2 divided by ln 3. After that, I'm gonna try to separate the ln 3 here. So I will make it into a fraction multiplied by ln x squared minus 2. We can write that down as u is equals to 1 over ln 3 and then multiplied by ln bracket x squared minus 2. Now we can start doing the derivative of u. So du over dx will be equals to what? So this 1 over ln 3 is just a constant, so we don't need to do anything about it. We just need to leave it be, at least for now, and we're going to multiply this result with the derivative of ln x squared minus 2. So as you may know, ln x squared minus 2, we just, if we want to derive that one, we can just use the regular derivative rule on ln, which is if we want to derive ln fx over dx, so we're gonna end up with f x and x, or f prime x divided by fx. Okay, now in this case, the fx is x squared minus 2, right? So if I want to do a regular derivative, then f prime x will be equals to 2x in this case. So we have 2x and then divided by x squared minus 2. And don't forget, we still have ln 3 in here. So we multiplied by 1 over ln 3. Yeah. So we're going to end up with, what's that? 2x over ln 3 bracket x squared minus 2. Okay. Now we get the derivative of the d over dx. The final step that we need to do, we just need to complete our chain rule that initially we do for this question, which is what? Which is dy over dx is equals to dy over du and then multiplied by du over dx. Then we're just gonna try to input all the value that we just found from before. dy over du is basically 1 over 2 square root of u multiplied by du over dx is just 2x over ln 3 bracket x squared minus 2. Now, because it's a multiplication, obviously we can cross out the 2 here, so that's gone. And then we change the u value back into the original, which is log 3 x squared minus 2 from here. That's the u value. So then the final answer for this one will be 1 over, okay? So I'm going to put the ln 3 first to the left because it's just a constant. There is no x involved there. So that will be ln 3 and then ln bracket x squared minus 2. And then the square root of u, which is what? Which is square root of log 3 bracket x squared minus 2. And this will be the value of the dy over dx. So it's a kind of long derivative, but it's not that hard to do as long as you know what you're dealing with and what is the correct step in achieving the derivative. Okay, and that will be it for today's video. Hopefully it will help you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.